Hello, welcome to this section of the training. Now in this section we are going to be editing the contactor's page. Okay, so what we need to do now is to come here and click edit with Elementor. Okay, so when you do that, it takes you to this particular area. Okay, so in this area you can edit this content. Okay, you can edit here. Okay, you can click just edit. When you click, it shows in the content and you edit from here. Same for this particular section, so you can just click and come here and change the content. Okay, so what we'll do here now, you can also do the same thing here. You can change the content to something else. So for the contactors form, you can see it showing that this is a W form. Okay, WP forms. So what we'll do now is we can't edit it here, so we'll have to edit it inside WP forms dashboard. Okay, so what you do now, go to your WordPress dashboard. Okay, go to WP forms. Okay, just click on it. When you click on it, it takes you to this particular area. Okay, so what you do next is to click edit these forms. Okay, so when you do that, it takes you to the main area of your WP form, so you can edit that particular form. Okay, so next up, just click settings. Okay, go to notifications. Okay, so from here you can just type in the email, whatever email you want to receive the message. Okay, so the email can be your personal email or the company's email. So let me just use a personal email in this case. So when I do so, I'll click save. Okay, so that means when somebody comes to this form and type their email, subject and message, it will go to that particular email address we set. Okay, so we are done with this. Okay, you can just click apply. We are done with the contactors form. Okay, so nothing much. So let's go back to the main page. Okay, so from here we want to start editing the header section. Okay, so what you do now is to click customize. When you click customize, it takes you to the customize area. Alright, so first thing we are going to do is to change the site logo. Okay, so what I will do now, okay, I will click this header section, site identity. Okay, so what you do next now, unmark this, uncheck this box. So click on it. Okay, then click remove logo. Alright, so it has removed the default logo. Then click select logo so we can insert our own custom logo. So click upload files, click select files. Okay, so we'll come here and pick a logo. Okay, pick the what do you call it, the logo for the store. So open. Okay, so click select. Okay, click skip cropping. You can see the logo is now showing. Okay, so what we also want to do is to change the site icon, which is the icon here. You can see it showing W, which is the default logo for WordPress. Okay, so click select icon, go to upload files, select files. Okay, so you can see the icon here, so site icon. So just click on it, click open, then click select, click skip cropping. Okay, so you can see it has changed. You can publish and preview the changes you've made. So let's reload and preview the changes. Okay, you can see the changes. Alright, so we are done with the header section. So what we are going to do now is to edit the footer. Okay, so what you do now, come to edit with Elementor and click footer. Okay, so when you do that, it takes you to the footer area. Okay, so what we'll do now is to edit the logo. Okay, so click on it, click choose logo, click upload files. Okay, so click select files. Okay, so select logo 2. You have to click insert media. Okay, so you can see the logo has been uploaded. All right, so you can see the logo is very small, so you can just click on it, go to style, okay, adjust the width, okay, so that it will be very visible. Okay, so another thing we need to do, okay, we are going to copy this link, just this short link, store.urban, okay, whatever your store name is. Okay, so we're going to go back to content, then under link, choose custom URL, and paste in the link, so that when someone clicks on this, it takes the person to the home page. Okay, so for this, I'm going to click this content and change it to pneumatic store. Okay, that's the name of our store. Okay, so for now, if we click update and reload, we'll see the changes. Okay, so if I reload this, so come down here, you can see the changes that were made so far. All right, so we are going to continue editing this particular section. Okay, so what I will do, I'll click this button here where you have about us, then change it to the about us page. So what I will do, let me go back to my page, scroll up. Okay, all right, click this and copy link address. Okay, so come here, so I'm going to paste this link here, okay, under no more about us. So I'll go back to, okay, just click on this, okay, to fold it up. Okay, then click visit store to open it. So I'll go back, copy where you have all products, copy link address, so paste the link right here. Okay, so I'll fold it back, then click let's connect. So go back here and click contact. Okay, so and I will just paste this in, okay, under let's connect. So you can just fold it. So what I will do next is to click update. So when I click update, I can reload to view the changes I have made. You can see this is the change I just made. So if I click about us, you see that it takes us to that about us page. Okay, so if I click visit store, you can see it will take us to all products page, okay, which is this one right here. All right, now if you go to your own page and if you look to the product area, you will find out that the currency is in dollar instead of our Nigeria naira. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to change this to naira. So what you do, go to your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommERCE, okay, and click settings, click WooCommERCE, then go to settings. Now when you do that, it takes you to the WooCommERCE settings. Okay, so what you do now, come straight down, okay, where you have currency. You can see the currency is United States, okay, which is dollar. Okay, so let's change this to Nigeria naira, and click save changes. Okay, now when you save the changes, you can now go back and reload. You'll see that it will change to naira. You can see it has changed to naira, both the one at the bottom and okay, that's the one on top, and the one at the bottom, you can see it has been changed. All right, so this is the end of this section of the training. Now in the next video, we'll be landing up creating our e-commerce store.